Meaning of ideal.
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 Ideal. The word ideal refers to something that is perfect or best possible in a given situation. It is a standard of excellence that is desired but may not always be attainable. The term ideal can also be subjective, as different people may have different ideas of what is perfect or best. Overall, the concept of ideal relates to a goal or aspiration, a vision of something better or superior. To summarize, ideal represents an idealized version of something that is seen as perfect or best possible under certain conditions.